Hi everyone, my name is Satya and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon EOS 1500D DSLR, which is a budget-friendly DSLR and it costs under 30,000 rupees. This channel is about product reviews, travel blogs and content related to cinematography. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. So this is the box that the Canon EOS 1500D arrives in. On top of the box you can see there's 2 years of warranty, and on the side of the box you can see there's a kit lens inside this. This DSLR offers 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. It can go up to ISO 6400. It can shoot in 1080p Full HD and it has built-in Wi-Fi NFC. That means that you can control the DSLR with your smartphone, and you can also transfer images via Wi-Fi from this DSLR to your smartphone. So these are all the contents that you get with this package. You get a Canon EOS 1500D DSLR, a kit lens, a charging cable, some instruction manuals and warranty card, and this carrying case. And I got this DSLR around for 21,000 rupees during the Amazon Great India sale. So this is how the Canon EOS 1500D DSLR looks like. And this is the 18 to 55mm kit lens that comes along with this DSLR. Over here you have all the buttons to control all the settings. You can change different modes on top by rotating this dial. This DSLR offers manual settings and also it can shoot raw images. The Canon EOS 1500D features a 9-point autofocus system with cross-type autofocus sensitivity with center autofocus point. On the side of the lens, you can switch between autofocus and manual focus. And to manual focus, you can manually rotate this front ring. The Canon EOS 1500D DSLR offers a 3-inch fixed LCD display. These are some of the images and videos taken with this DSLR. The image and video quality of this DSLR is good, but the major issue that I found with this DSLR is the autofocus system of this DSLR. So you have to manually press the shutter button to autofocus. And as you can see, it takes a long time to autofocus. And it also makes this noise. So what you can do is you can switch to manual focus and manually change the focus. If you want to do videography or vlogging with this DSLR, then it's difficult, but you can still achieve good results. This DSLR is mainly meant for photography. So this is one of my first DSLR which I had used to start my channel. The image and video quality of this DSLR was really good, and and I like the build quality of this DSLR. If you want to do professional videography or shoot high-speed moving objects, then this DSLR is not meant for you, as the autofocus of this DSLR is really slow and it takes a long time. You can use manual focus, but controlling manual focus is difficult. So overall, if you're looking for a good quality camera in under 30,000 rupees price range, this DSLR is pretty good, as it can offer good quality images and videos. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't.